G'day folks, how you going? You feeling hungry? Now why would I ask if you're feeling hungry? I'll tell you why. Because yeah, it's time for another Andy's Food Bites. I'm here in Arashiyama, which is a very touristy spot here near Kyoto in Japan, and it's time to eat. And we're going here to a place called Namura. This place does what apparently Kyoto's famous for, Negiyaki, which is a kind of Okonomiyaki. So we're going to have to try that. We'll see what it's like. Anyway, shall we go in? Are you hungry? I haven't done an Andy Food Bites for over a year. So, yeah, this is exciting. So I think this is a visual representation of what we're talking about. Who knows? I think spring onion is the thing here. But obviously there's a lot of egg flavoured treats. Let's head along inside. Cute little establishment here. Okay folks, here we are. Complimentary water. Oh no, yeah, great. This is probably what I'm going to go with. I think this is Negiyaki. Okay, I'll tell you all about it. The Kyoto-style Okonomiyaki, which is Negiyaki, is a savoury crepe with Kyoto-grown green onions, beef, eggs, konjac, and fish cake covered in a tasty sauce made of a variety of fruits and vegetables. Perfect for a light lunch. Apparently konjac is cognac. There's other small things here that you can have. And I think they also specialise in sweets, especially matcha sweets. So I've ordered the Negiyaki and we'll see how it tastes. So looking forward to tasting this and enjoying being directly under an air conditioner right now because it's like 33 out there and it's baking. It seems to be my favourite word when just describing hot weather, isn't it? Baking. It's baking. I guess they'll be baking my dinner soon. My lunch. They probably cook it up on a grill, to be honest. And here's what the girls who kindly let me photograph their food are having. It's called Uji Milk Kintoki. Half matcha syrup with half condensed milk with shiratama mochi and sweet red bean paste. Looks a little bit like a volcano. There we are folks, this is the beast that we're about to delve into, and I always wonder when I have something like this and we have to eat it with chopsticks, how you're supposed to just sort of rip in there. The plate is quite hot. Oh, we can have a look inside. Oh, that's steaming hot. Egg, beef, spring onion, lots of spring onion. Plenty of egg. Let me get further into it before I can give you a real verdict here. So it works in such a way that when you bite into it, depending on which bite it is, you get a different set of flavours, which I kind of like. You never quite know what you're going to get. Seaweed on the top, which is a Japanese speciality, of course. Quite different to the Okonomiyaki that I've had in the past, to be honest with you, but yeah, it's a Japanese speciality. It's something a bit different. It's got a lot of stuff in there. I think there's some veggies in there, a lot of egg, not much in the way of beef, and a lot of spring onion. Anyway, I'll give you my final thoughts once I finish with this. And there you go, we are all done. That was pretty tasty in the end. I think the biggest difference between Negiyaki and Okonomiyaki is that they cook all the different ingredients into the Okonomiyaki, whereas this is a crepe. The Negiyaki is a crepe with the ingredients all inside. And now, of course, we have matcha tea. Iced tea. Iced matcha, that's all it is. Well folks, Arashiyama Nomura. I thought it was alright. Yeah, I didn't mind that. I don't know if I go out my way to have another one. But yeah, the verdict on the matcha iced tea though was that it was a bit too sweet. But you know, that's all depending on different people's preferences, isn't it? Anyway, Arashiyama is a lovely place. You've got to eat somewhere, so why not try it if you're looking for something that's a bit more authentic and is of the region. Thanks for watching me on this one. As always, of course, don't forget to click like, comment and subscribe to the channel. It does help the channel to grow. I really do appreciate it. Take care wherever you are in the world. May the journey never end, and may the eating never end too.